G'day champions, we're going to hit 3 birds with 1 stone here today. We've got Mum, we've got Dad, he's hiding over there. Mum's going to review a kombucha.
Kombucha? We should have looked that up first.
Kombucha.
That's
so it's probably impossible to see there. Now we're focused on our faces.
Real good.
I've got very high tech today. We've got the wooden spoon microphone holder. So that's.
Now, this
do you want to read out the brand?
Yeah, kombucha. It's live sparkling probiotic, which sounds really good. The mango part's my favourite because I love it. No sugar's also great and nothing artificial. So good for gut health. But it also says no energy, and it's really what I'm after, a bit of energy.
It's good for your guts.
Yeah.
All right, so it's sparkling.
So it's mango sparkling in the bottle, and I've poured it. It's got bubbles and it looks good. Looks the part.
Slightly effervescent.
Yes. So I'll have a sip. Now, 3 sips is the charm. So the first one, take no notice.
The tester. That's when you screw your face up because it's...
Sort of like a dusty...
Dusty?
A dusty... but 3. 3.
I wouldn't want my drink referred to as dusty if I was a manufacturer. Your eyes are watering. What's the verdict on sip 2?
No, 3.
3, okay.
Little bit better. The mango is coming through now, whereas the first 2, no. Yeah, it tastes like it could have something like alcohol. You could trick your mind to think you're having a bit of alcohol in there, maybe a gin in with the mango, I don't know. But
you sure Dad didn't slip some vodka in there?
No, you wouldn't dare.
You wouldn't dare.
I think summer would be a nice time to have that. Not tonight, even though the fire's hot, but I think summer would be nice. But I think some ice would be good too.
That's what I had with the jalapeno and lime thing yesterday. It would have been great in summer, but it's the middle of winter.
Yeah, well, so that's the trouble with dry July, isn't it? I don't know. Brad usually grades things out of 10.
What do you reckon? Just throw a dart. I just
I'll
make
give
it
it
up.
6.
6, okay.
6, because there's an aftertaste that's a little bit
tastes like
there's
wood shavings?
It's a bit like stevia, which I'm not happy.
Oh, that'd be that
artificial.
That's
sweetness.
the artificial, yeah.
Which I don't like. So that's
I'm not a fan either.
That's just me. But the mango's coming through, which is nice. So
Right.
I think 6.5.
6.5 out of 10.
Yes.
All right. Well, we've got 2 more to do, so we're going to hit 3 birds with 1 stone today. We've got Coffee Run Stout.
Ooh.
So I've locked the focus so it doesn't... See, I was just explaining to Mum that Panasonic thinks that one LED right in the background is more important to focus on than 2 faces in front of the fucking lens. So I've locked its focus, but now the shortcoming of that is I'm going to have to do a separate shot to show you that. So there it is, Coffee Run Stout. That's by Heaps Normal. We've got a few beers from them this month. So this is the first one of them. All right, let's crack this one. We've got Michelle's netball glasses again.
No keyboard underneath to dribble on.
Yeah, you saw me do that the other day, did you?
I did see you do that.
I'll leave half for Dad so he can have a taste. Oh.
Coffee?
It is, but it's sort of metallic. Smell, you get what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? Oh, I'm not looking forward to this. I was really looking forward to it before I smelled it.
Don't forget, three's the charm.
Yeah, I'll have a nose.
No. Try.
Swallowy sound. Sorry, that's always gross.
No, it's not.
The taste is there.
Try the third sip and see.
All right, third go.
Three's the charm.
I'm going to give that, in terms of non-alcoholic beers and the fullness, it's going to lose 2 points for the nose, but normally I'd give it 8. So I'll give it 6.5 as well, eh? 6.
Okay.
No, let's go 7, because that's probably the most full non-alcoholic beer I've had so far. Okay. And that's saying something. So on to the next one. We've got another Beneficial Beer Co. Dave's Drunkenless. I had to look at that twice. Beneficial Beer Co. Dave's Drunkenless Dark Ale. So let's see how this one compares. Alright, let's see how she pours. Oh, that's much lighter than the other one. I suppose it's not a stout, it's just a dark ale, so that's almost like a tea sort of colour. Suppose I should set the light up behind it so you can see through it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like red. Almost looks like Coke. Oh, much less happening on the nose than the other one. Just tastes like one of the other ales. Yeah, not a lot happening there. 3 sips.
3.
Yum, yum, yum. Not a lot happening in that one. Not a fan. So that one will get a 4 because it built me up Buttercup and then let me down. So you lose points for that. If it doesn't do what it says on the can, you lose points. So there you have it. I've caught up. So tomorrow we're just back on to 1 a day or maybe 2 every second day. We'll see what we've got time for. I've put a little icon for Mum's page. She's participating as well. So if you want to donate to Mum's page, give me a break.
Nice, thank you.
And if you want to donate to mine, I think we can bring Mum up so it's a bit more of a race. What do you reckon? Money goes to the same place.
It does.
Yeah.
It does.
So see you on the next one, champions.
Bye.